I'm the digital avatar of Muahib Kairala. While she's busy doing the real work, a 9 to 5 by day, two businesses by night, she built me to share what she's learning along the way. The words are all hers. I'm simply how she finds the time to say them.
الحب علاني والسماء ظلاني بريء.
Hello, and welcome to our calm corner of the internet. I'm so glad you're here. I want to show you something quiet that just changed, and most people scrolled right past it. Google search doesn't just answer questions anymore, it does the work. For 20 years, search worked one way. You typed, it gave you links, and then you did everything else: the clicking, the comparing, the calling, the booking, the typing of your name into the same little form for the third time. That last part is what's changing. Google's new AI mode can now take the steps for you. You can ask it to find a restaurant with a quiet patio for Saturday, and it can check availability across booking sites and start the reservation. You can ask it to find tickets under a certain price, and it does the comparing while you make your tea. There's a fancy word for this, agentic. You don't need to remember it. All it means is that the search engine stopped being a librarian who points at the shelf and became an assistant who walks over and gets the book. You're not searching anymore. You're delegating. Now, why am I telling you this? Two reasons. The first is for you as a person. Those little errands that quietly eat your evenings, comparing prices, checking availability, filling in forms, those are exactly what this was built for. Pick one errand this week, just one. Hand it over and see how it feels. The second reason is for your business. And this one matters more. If customers stop clicking through 10 websites and their AI does the checking and booking for them, then the question isn't, is my website pretty? The question is, can the AI find you? Is your Google business profile up to date? Are your hours right? Does your booking link actually work? That's the homework, not a new website, not an ad budget. Just making sure that when someone's assistant comes looking on their behalf, your door is open and the lights are on. I did mine on a Sunday morning with coffee, 20 minutes. That's all it took. And if the pace of all this ever feels like too much, take a breath. You don't have to master any of it. The tools are moving toward you, not away from you. Staying a little curious, 10 minutes a week, is already a real strategy. If you'd like a gentle place to start, my free AI starter kit is at mawahibkerala.com. It's written for beginners in plain English. No jargon, no panic. You're not behind. You're right on time. I'll see you next week.